Violence and Volatility Global Outlook for the week of August 19th, 2013. Highlights: Social mood patterns indicate a spike in factors related to violence and volatility. This pattern signals even more global violence and instability in the next few days. Markets continue to look shaky as the week begins. Potential effects of this week's events on the average person may not be clear for another week or two. The global mood, symptoms of the current social mood pattern. Changes in social mood as measured from Google Hot Trends often precedes major news events and market moves. The violent events in Egypt of late are reflected in the social mood taken from Google Hot Trends. A new surge or spike in global violence and instability is indicated by this pattern change. Fires, explosions, activity, and instability are all symptoms associated with the current global mood. Social mood in the stock market. Market outlook from the current social mood pattern. The Google Hot Trends daily signal can be converted to estimated daily stock market movement. Over the last 3 months, the market has rallied way past what social mood can support. Last week's losses lessened the gap some, but the market is still 9% higher than social mood says that it should be. U.S. news signals follow the general stock market trend but may lead or lag on a daily basis. The news signal keeps saying that a rally is near, but the stock market hasn't been playing along. The week ahead signal from Google Hot Trends shows the week beginning with negative momentum but a trend change trying to emerge. However, the 12% gap between social mood and the stock market in this chart shows that bulls should be extremely cautious as any upside may not last very long. In summary, a surge of global violence and volatility is indicated by collective mood. Stock market signals from social mood show a negative momentum as the week begins, but a possible trend change during the week. Large moves in either direction are possible this week as news is digested and mood shifts are sorted out. This has been a public service presentation of a New Story Foundation and our cutting-edge research in sustainability. For more information on the Mood Compass project, visit moodcompass.com or like Mood Compass on Facebook.